Shark Vertex Ultra Lightweight Vacuum Cleaner. After tons of testing, this lightweight, yet mighty, vacuum by Shark is our pick for the best vacuum overall. It sucked up everything we put in its path, including Cheerios and tough popcorn kernels, and mostly during its first pass. Upon lifting the floor head off the ground, the materials didn't sprinkle everywhere, and the vacuum basically pulled itself around the surfaces. Our tester noted that it took very little effort on their part to get the cleaning job done, and even called the vacuum flawless. The Shark Vertex Dual Clean Power Fins cordless stick vacuum was able to slip easily under a coffee table and couch, which sits fairly low to the ground. As well, our tester noted that the vacuum remains quiet most of the time it's in operation, too, so your pet may not be